This sharp 1.1 CuFt stainless microwave is a great addition to any kitchen. It offers 1.1 cubic feet of space. This is good for many different food sizes. The stainless steel build looks modern and clean. It should fit well with other appliances. Plus, it's Orville Redenbacher certified. This means the popcorn button is set for perfect popcorn. The sharp 1.1 CuFt stainless microwave has a removable 12.4 carousel turntable. This helps food cook evenly. No cold areas should be left. The microwave has preset buttons for common foods. These make cooking easier. There is also a timer function. You can set precise cooking times. The stainless steel is easy to wipe clean with soap and water. This helps keep your microwave looking new. For its price, the sharp 1.1 CuFt stainless microwave offers good value. It has a simple design and useful features. The build quality seems solid. While it doesn't have a blade or use oils, it's great for heating food. This microwave tells a simple story of convenience. It delivers reliable content of cooked food. If you need a dependable microwave, this is a good choice. Pros: removable turntable, Orville certified 1.1 cubic feet, stainless steel, preset buttons. Express Cook plus 3.0 sec key, LED display, easy to clean, quiet operation, heats food fast. Cons: child lock can be tricky, no light on keypad, door can feel cheap, timer sound is quiet. Control panel not backlit, some find it basic, size might be large, no memory function, Alexa. Connectivity issues. On similar model, push button to open, no handle features. Countertop design 1.1 cubic feet, stainless steel 1000 watts power, carousel turntable. Orville certified plus 3.0 sec key, preset buttons. Express Cook. The sharp SMC1162KS is a countertop microwave with a stainless steel finish and a capacity of 1.1 cubic feet. It has 1000 watts of power for quick cooking and features a removable 12.4 carousel turntable to help food cook evenly. This microwave is Orville certified, meaning it has a special setting for popping Orville Redenbacher's popcorn. It also has a plus 3.0 second button for adding cooking time easily, preset buttons for common foods, and an Express Cook feature for quick one-touch cooking. This sharp countertop microwave has a 1.1 cubic feet space inside with a spinning glass plate that can be taken out to clean. It's certified by Orville Redenbacher for making good popcorn with a special button. The outside is stainless steel, and it has buttons for common foods, a quick cooking button, and a button to add 30 seconds easily. It shows the time on a light-up screen and is easy to wipe clean and doesn't make much noise. It heats food quickly. Some people might find the child lock hard to use. There's no light on the buttons. The door might feel a bit flimsy. The timer sound is quiet. The buttons don't light up. It's seen as simple. It might take up a lot of space. And it doesn't remember settings. Some similar models have had problems connecting to Alexa. It opens with a button instead of a handle.